heading toward Marion County. He's flipping me off.
Welcome to Police Speed, where we bring you the ultimate thrill. Get ready for heart-pounding chases, dangerous action-packed moments, and the most exciting scenes caught on camera. If you're looking for excitement that makes your heart race, you've come to the right place.
111, 110.
July 18, 2024, in the afternoon in Arkansas, police detected a black four-door vehicle, VUN, speeding at 60 mph on I-630W. After pulling over at exit 8BE, the driver identified herself as Becca Smith, but had no identification. When I turned away to check the details, V1 suddenly sped off, initiating a pursuit at 8090 MB, running red lights.
Now you gotta keep getting those speeds in traffic. Going south on 430, south on 430. Traffic light, D60.
The chase ended when V1 crashed into a guardrail on I-430 SE, flipping the car and ejecting the driver.
Started 1016 and 1011 vehicles rolled in the median.
111, 110.
August 10, 2024, 7:30 p.m. in Miami Beach, Florida, police spotted a stolen Toyota SUV.
That's it. Use the pin. One of the beach guys coming here. Thanks, I'm the noise. We're gonna go to what is that, 189? I think that's 79.
Glenda Defas reported that Savala Cigar, 46, had threatened her with a hammer before stealing the vehicle. Luckily, her disabled brother managed to escape. Police performed a PIT maneuver, causing the SUV to roll over.
Radio. 5271. 571. Nothing? Rivera. Who hit him? Nothing. You did? Nothing.
100.
111, 110.
April 1, 2021, in Micanopy, Florida, 33-year-old Matthew Martin Richardson sped through a stop sign in a yellow Chevy Suburban and fled when police attempted to stop him.
Heading toward Marion County, he's flipping me off.
Yeah, you notice how Marion? 1031, let's take a look at. Yep. What's your speed?
This SHP is coming back up on.
The high-speed chase reached up to 100 m. After several PIT attempts, Richardson's vehicle was finally pinned, and he was arrested without further incident. He faced charges of evading arrest, assaulting an officer, and reckless driving.
They'll ram those cars. Back on the outside lane. Traffic light.
June 20, 2024, Milwaukee police chased a vehicle linked to 2 armed robberies. The pursuit ended when the suspect's vehicle was blocked by construction on I-43. As police approached, the driver reversed into a patrol car, prompting officers to open fire.
Secondary. Continuing northbound, passing McKinley, approaching Valide. Alright, we're going to be eastbound on Valide from 14th Street in pursuit of a white Chevy Trax, wanted for an armed robbery carjacking out of District 1. Looks to be occupied at least 4 times. Southbound on 12th from Valide. Speeds are 25 miles per hour. Continuing south on 12th, crossing McKinley. Multiple occupants, at least 4 occupants. White Chevy Trax, wanted for armed robbery out of District 1. Speeds are...
Traffic is moderate, road conditions are dry. There's a white Chevy Trax, no plates, occupied 4 times, wanted for an armed robbery. Alright, we're
Ashley
exiting
Patterson, 18,
Locust
and
here.
Calvion Jean,
Continuing, 43
17,
northbound,
were
passing
shot.
Locust. White Chevy Trax,
Patterson,
no plates,
who
wanted
was
for armed robbery,
pregnant,
carjacking out of
was
District 1.
critically injured and lost the baby. There were 6 suspects in
Speeds are
total,
68
with
miles
4
per hour.
others sustaining
We're in
minor
shoulder of
injuries.
43 North. Switch with it here.
Keep coming! Keep coming! Stop right there!
111, 110.
December 8, 2022, Erie County Police in Ohio spotted a Jeep Wrangler speeding over 100 mph near Sandusky. When pulled over, officers smelled marijuana and suspected the driver was using fake identification.
1071.
After being questioned, the driver fled, leading to a 25-minute chase. Police made several attempts to stop the Jeep, but the suspect evaded tolls and caused multiple collisions. The Jeep's tires eventually blew out, and the suspect was arrested after attempting to flee on foot.
Good hit on mine. Okay. We're 31. 6 is struck 76. We're 31. Left shoulder.